What's going on, guys? Today we're here with Alex. He owns and runs a franchise in Florida. How long you been doing irrigation, Alex?
I've been doing irrigation on and off since I was about 19. I'm 31 now. Before this, I was kind of bounced around a few places. I was an HR manager, then kind of did sprinklers on and off with one company, then stayed with them for a long time, and they taught me everything I knew, and that was in my very early younger years. You know, before I started this, I was a foreman for a landscape company and head of their irrigation division, taking care of, you know, 250 plus homes, irrigations, pump stations, timers, everything that you can imagine. And been with you guys for what, going on 3 years now?
Almost 3 years.
Almost
Yep.
3 years?
Yep.
Best decision I ever made. These great people, everyone is a tight-knit family. You know, no one leaves you hanging. You always got someone with an answer for you. So, you know, Pacific is the way to go if you're looking for another opportunity in life.
Awesome, man. Yeah, glad to hear that. You know, you're doing really well. You're very busy with work. What's your day-to-day schedule like? What's your day-to-day like running a franchise?
All right, well, now you being, you know, we've done this for years, so it's kind of like, you know, you're getting up, you're going to your routes, your calls like you would normally do, but you know, you're kind of more on top of it. You're in charge of these things. You have more, let's say, leeway to kind of dictate what you're going to do throughout the day. You can kind of change things up, you know, without necessarily having to call your boss up and things like that. But you're always going to have to keep in communication with the office, you know, what you're going to do. You know, I wake up 6:30, start my day, you know, look at my stops throughout the day, plan if I'm going to need to be in certain areas, whether, you know, this stop works better if I go to it after this one. You know, pretty much the basics things that you would be normally doing through your service day, you know, just not working for yourself.
Okay, cool. And how would you say like the workflow's been? Do we keep you busy? Do we, you know, keep your schedule?
Oh, there's never a dull moment. You always got something to do. They're always looking for work, even if you don't want it. You got plenty of work to do,
Yeah.
so you never have to worry about that.
All right, cool. All right, man. So what are your goals in the next couple of years for your franchise? What are you thinking? What are you thinking you're gonna do?
Hopefully by the end of the year, I would like to have another guy working for me, like on payroll, in the truck with me full time. And hopefully by the end of next year, I would like another truck on the road.
Nice. Definitely cool. Yeah, you definitely, Alex definitely needs it down here. You're doing a great job. You got a lot of experience. You even helped just at our training here, teaching some of the other guys about pumps and all that technical knowledge that you have. So we appreciate that.
Shortcuts on the tablets.
Shortcuts. And that's it, man. Thanks for doing this, and we'll see you in another video soon.
All right.
Thank you.